Did you know the most evil doctor in history escaped justice and lived as a respected businessman for 30 years? Josef Mengele was known as the Angel of Death. At Auschwitz, he performed horrific experiments on twins and children. He injected dye into their eyes. He sewed twins together. He froze and burned victims alive. When the war ended, Mengele vanished. He fled to Argentina using a fake passport. There, he became a wealthy businessman. He bought a ranch. He attended fancy parties. He even continued his sick experiments on local people in secret. The CIA knew exactly where he was. So did Israeli agents hunting Nazi war criminals. But they did nothing. For decades, Mengele lived comfortably in South America. He moved between Argentina and Brazil. He had protection from other escaped Nazis. They formed a network that kept each other safe. In 1979, Josef Mengele died peacefully on a beach in Brazil. He was swimming when he had a stroke. He never faced trial. He never paid for his crimes. The Angel of Death got away with murder.